Hey guys, this is Dr. Rains and back in the video. In this video, we'll be unboxing a rechargeable LED flashlight. The branding is GeePass. This comes with a lifetime warranty for the Cree LED, 3 hours continuous working, removable battery, 1900 mAh. We have the lifetime warranty logo. Let's see the side of the box, and here we have some letters. And now let's see the features. It comes with high quality battery, can be charged up to 1500 times, machine aircraft grade aluminium body with ionized finish, hyper bright cool with white microchip LED, optimized electronics provide regulatory intensity, 1800 meters real range distance, which is 1.8 kilometer. That's the awesomest feature in this light. Now let's just see this side. There's some letters over here, that's it. And on the other side we have it in Arabic, the features. And now let's unbox it. Let's open the box, and here we have a warranty card. It comes with a warranty. That's awesome. And this is lifetime warranty. And let's just keep that aside. And here we have the operating instructions. Let's just see, there are some pictures of the torch and the specifications, and that's it, and some more stuff. And our branding is GFL, that's the branding, and it works to 180 minutes, which the box also says 3 hours continuous working time. And now let's just take the torch out, the LED flashlight. This is the one, so the quality is good, it's aluminium. And let's just keep it aside. And now let's just take the charger. I think it's charger, yep, it's a charger. It comes with a good box. Let's just see that a bit later. And this is the battery. Yep, that's the battery for the LED flashlight. Let's just keep that aside also. Now let's see all the things. This is all the things what I got: an operating instruction, warranty card, torch, a battery, and charger. Now let's just see the torch and the battery. This is the torch. I'll just remove that. And here's the torch. It comes with a good aluminium, and it has a logo. That is power beam, and that's the logo, GeePass. And it's so smooth. And over there we have the charging input. You have to put the charger in that and charge it. And that's the switch. And over here we have an unbreakable lens. It's a great quality one. There's a sticker saying it. Now let's just see the batteries, specifications, features. This is the GeePass battery. Yep, and it comes with 1900 milliampere and 2.4 voltage. And the red one is the positive side, and the black one is the negative side. Now let's us just unscrew the top, and let's just fix the battery. You just unscrew it like that. Then you put the battery, the negative side down, the black color one down, and the positive side up, like that. It goes smoothly in, and then you have to screw it. Yep. And guys, before using it for the first time, you need to charge it 16 hours minimum. And yep, that's the light. Oh, let's just peel the sticker off. Yep, and there's it's so bright, and it's here, you can see it. The best thing is it can go up until 1.8 kilometer real range distance. That's the awesomest thing. And also it comes with a lifetime warranty. Who will never say that? Okay, now let's just see the GeePass charger. This is a normal charger. Just keep the box aside, and let's just unwrap it. Yep, this is the charger we have, and let's just see the specs of it. It's a 400 milliampere charger with a 3 volt voltage power. Yep, and there's the input, and That's it guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.